First, the design of PVC imitation plaster decorative strips looks like real plaster, adding an elegant atmosphere to your home. Second, simple and easy to use self-adhesive design. No need for professional tools or tedious installation steps, saving time and energy. Third, made of high-quality PVC material, realistic texture, bright and long-lasting colors, strong durability, and keeps beautiful for a long time. Fourth, provide a variety of styles and color options to meet the needs of different home styles and create a unique and personalized space. Fifth, made of environmentally friendly materials, non-toxic and odorless, harmless to the health of family members, safe to use. Follow me to share more interior decoration goodies.